Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the status of a flight on the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the flight status button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can select the flight option at the top, so you should select the airline that you should choose and then type in the flight number. After that you should select the date and click on the search button, and the relevant information will appear at this page if you have typed it in correctly. You can also check the flight status by the route, so you should set the origin, then the destination. After that the airline should be selected and the date, then click on the search button down below and you will be able to see the status of the flight. And you can also search for it by the time. So that's the other option at the top, so tap on it, and here you can see the if you set the departure, the airport and the arrival too, and here you will be able to find the relevant information. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.